Had a little too much to drink last night? Your body is probably feeling it today. Headache, fatigue, dehydration, and brain fog are all signs your body is working hard to process and remove alcohol. But here's the good news. Certain foods can help your liver recover faster, restore nutrients, and support your body's natural detox process. Let's look at some of the best foods that help your body recover after alcohol. First, watermelon. One of the biggest effects of alcohol is dehydration. Alcohol pulls water out of your body, which is why many people wake up feeling thirsty and tired. Watermelon is about 90% water, which helps rehydrate your body quickly. It also contains antioxidants and vitamin C that support liver health. Eating a bowl of watermelon can help your body regain lost fluids and feel refreshed. Next, bananas. Alcohol can cause your body to lose important minerals, especially potassium. Low potassium levels can lead to fatigue, muscle weakness, and headaches. Bananas are rich in potassium and natural sugars that help restore energy levels. They are also easy on the stomach, making them a good choice if you feel nauseous. Third, eggs. Eggs contain an amino acid called cysteine, which helps break down a toxic compound produced when your body processes alcohol. This compound, called acetaldehyde, contributes to many hangover symptoms. Cysteine helps neutralize this toxin and supports the liver in clearing it from the body. A simple breakfast with eggs can give your body the support it needs during recovery. Fourth, ginger. Alcohol can irritate the stomach and cause nausea. Ginger is well known for its ability to calm the digestive system and reduce nausea. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe the stomach and improve digestion. Ginger tea or fresh ginger added to warm water can help your body feel more comfortable after drinking. Fifth, oats. After drinking alcohol, blood sugar levels can drop, which often leads to fatigue, irritability, and cravings. Oats are a complex carbohydrate that slowly releases energy and helps stabilize blood sugar. They also contain important nutrients like magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, which support the nervous system and energy production. A bowl of oatmeal can be a comforting and nourishing start to the day. Sixth, avocados. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and potassium, both of which help restore balance in the body after alcohol consumption. Healthy fats help reduce inflammation and support liver function. Avocados also contain fiber, which supports digestion and helps the body remove waste more efficiently. Adding avocado to toast or salads can provide lasting energy and support recovery. Seventh, leafy green vegetables. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and lettuce are rich in nutrients that support detoxification. They contain antioxidants, fiber, and folate, which help the liver process toxins and support overall body function. Leafy greens also help replenish nutrients that may be depleted after alcohol consumption. A smoothie or salad with fresh greens can help your body recover more quickly. Eighth, citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C helps the body neutralize toxins and supports liver function. Citrus fruits also help stimulate digestion and support hydration. Starting your day with warm lemon water or eating fresh citrus fruits can give your body a refreshing boost. Ninth, yogurt. Alcohol can disrupt the balance of bacteria in the digestive system. Yogurt contains probiotics, which help restore healthy gut bacteria and improve digestion. It also provides protein and calcium, which support overall recovery. A bowl of yogurt with fruit can be a gentle and nutritious meal after drinking. Finally, green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which support liver health and help reduce oxidative stress. It also contains a small amount of caffeine, which can help improve alertness without overstimulating the body. Drinking green tea during the day can support hydration while helping your body recover. Important reminder, while these foods can support your body's recovery, the most important thing is moderation and hydration. Your liver naturally detoxifies the body, but giving it the right nutrients can make the recovery process smoother. Eating nourishing foods, drinking plenty of water, and getting enough rest can help your body return to balance more quickly. If you found this video helpful, try adding some of these foods the next time your body needs a reset. And remember, taking care of your body today helps protect your health in the long run.